Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get iron ore and smelt it into the iron bar in order to smelt it into the iron bars in Vrising. So first of all, let's open our map, and I'm like right here in the Dunlake farmlands, and this is the passageway to the Dunlake farmlands. These two right here, you can freely move through them, but keep in mind those are high level enemies. And in this area there should be lots of iron ore which you can mine, and before actually doing that you might also need to kill the bandit king, and that way you'll unlock ability to smelt iron ores into iron bars and craft iron weapons. So I'm right here, and let's try finding one. I saw one right here, the iron ore. It looks like this. Simply walk close to it and take out your merciless copper mace and hit it a few times. That way you'll start mining iron. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.